Alright everybody, just did this driveway here in Waltham, Massachusetts. Kind of wet and rainy, but as you can see, all the water goes right to the drain. We put in a drain right over here, and then this drain has an outflow pipe in it. So if it ever fills up, I don't know if you can see the pipe right there. You can kind of see it. So if the drain ever fills up, it gets expunged over here. And then this is like a basin pit. And right here, I stump ground a huge stump that was here. And yeah. Hey Steve, we got some pipe in the garage. Pipe in the garage. Pipe. But it came out nice. Are those my cables?
Those are Matt's.
Who's drinking these? Is this Matt's also?
I don't know who drinks those. I haven't seen anybody drink those.
Don't want to leave a mess anyway. All right, well, we're just cleaning up in